So just taking a look at VeChain today on the daily time frame. As we can see, we are still consolidating in this little range that we've been putting in over the past few weeks. We've obviously had a very nice move off of the lows of the bear market for VeChain. As you can see here, we obviously came down to that 1.5 cent level numerous times at the bottom of that accumulation range. 95% correction from the peak of the bull market. We get down to around 1.5 cents there, but no desire for people to be selling at that level. And then you can see we started getting up through our levels here quite cleanly as well after the bottoming out session there. We obviously come up, breaking out of our accumulation of the bear market at the lows there, putting in a fat range for a long time there, but you can see we cleanly got that break, that retest, the lovely retest of the 100 moving average as well. And then that massive move to the upside, breaking out of the bear market resistance, as I've said numerous times now. And then in the local area today, you can see still just consolidating and going sideways here. If you look on the hourly time frame, you can see really clearly what's been going on. We're looking basically like we're putting in a bit of a range, looking something like this. Obviously the support being that 0.38 Fibonacci level at around 4.2 cents, and then we've got a bit of a resistance forming here at around 5.2 cents for VeChain. You can see quite clearly here that we've come up, obviously we've formed our nice little range accumulation that we've been having. You can see here obviously resistance, support, come up and test resistance a few times, test support again, and now we're just back towards the top of the range here at resistance. And really we want to see VeChain coming up and closing a good few hourly candles up in this region here around towards 5.5 cents for that continuation. But obviously Bitcoin and Ethereum right now stealing the show. But I do think that VeChain's going to get its day in the sun once Bitcoin and Ethereum start to get a bit more boring. I think people will obviously rotate into large caps. And with Cardano, AVAX, etc. all starting to move now, I think VeChain's probably going to start moving pretty soon. Overall, things looking fine, gearing up very nicely indeed. I think overall, this chart is looking hella bullish right now. You can see that on the macro structure, we are ready for some more upside towards the all-time high going into the halving as well. Bitcoin looking at all-time highs, very strong. Let's see what we can do.